What to do if your divorce papers are rejected in Glendale? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you filed for divorce in Glendale and the court rejected your paperwork, you're not alone. And the good news is, we can fix it. Glendale divorces are processed through the Los Angeles County Superior Court, which has strict formatting rules and specific filing requirements. Even a small error like missing a form, forgetting a signature, or using the wrong version of a document can cause a rejection. We recently helped a Glendale client who had their judgment package rejected 3 times before they called us. They were frustrated and had no idea what went wrong. We reviewed their entire file, corrected the issues, and had their divorce approved within a week. At Divorce 661, we specialize in cleaning up rejected filings and getting your case back on track. Whether you've already filed or need help starting over, we know exactly what the Glendale court is looking for and how to get it done right. If your divorce papers were rejected and you're not sure what to do next, visit divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll take over from here and get your divorce finalized quickly and correctly.